If you are in the market for some in-ceiling speakers as a part of your home theater system, I have some that we love. They are the Klipsch in-ceiling speakers. It's the 1650C. They are amazing. My husband used them as a part of our home theater system, and it has transformed our listening experience. So stay tuned for some details about why we love it and a demo of how it sounds all together.
So welcome to our home theater. As you'll see here, this is the setup my husband has, and we're about to pan up to see those in-ceiling speakers that we love so much. We have them positioned right over our seating area, and it really makes us feel like we are in the action. I'm about to insert some clips here where you can hear the sound for yourself.